Hello friends, welcome to this short session on Python installation. Friends, this session is short but it is very much important. So you are going to pause this video wherever required, okay? Let us start with it. First of all, you are going to open any web browser which is available with you. .org. As you can see, various tabs are available over here: about, downloads, documentation, and many more. As downloading is required, so click on downloads. Friends, as you can see, download Python 3.9.5. This tab is available over here. So you're going to click on it, and if you are watching this video after a few days, maybe newer version will be available. So whichever new version is available, you're going to click on it and you can see that it is getting downloaded. Now to install, you're going to click on it. Over here on my system, it is already downloaded, so it is asking to upgrade to Python 3.9.5. But to your system, if it is not already downloaded, it will install the same on your PC. So at present I am cancelling it, but remember, you are going to go ahead, you are going to complete this installation process for your system. Okay, so I am pressing cancel and close this. Now we are going to search for Python after completing the installation process. Okay, just click on idle. Python 3.7 is available with me. Yes, so this is the Python shell. Over here you can enter your instructions. Friends, in last session, if you remember, I told you there are two types of programming styles. First one is the interactive programming. That is, we are going to provide one instruction at a time to the system, to the Python, and it is going to run it, right? So let me enter the instruction. Welcome to Python programming. Okay, so friends, this is the instructions which I have given as the input, and this is the output available. So it is going to give this string welcome to Python programming as the output. So as you can see over here, I have given one instruction at a time and it is going to run it. So this is the interactive Python programming style. Okay, for example, let me enter a particular variable. X is equal to 10. One more thing, over here this sign indicates Python is waiting for the user to enter the input. Python is waiting for us and saying us just enter something, right? So let me write print X now. As I have entered X is equal to 10, what should be printed? Correct. We are getting 10 as the output. So this is the interactive programming style, right? Now, for example, we want to give the bunch of instructions. We want to give series of instructions as a whole to Python. So just click on this, click on file and new file. Yes, friends, this is the new file available where you can write your sequence of instructions, and this is a script. The whole script will be running at a time, okay, and we will get the whole output. For example, X is equal to 20, print X. So I have given both these instructions as a whole to Python. First of all, I have to save the file. Click on File, Save As. You can prepare a separate folder of Python files. At present, let me save on desktop. Over here by default it is saving as a Python file, so no issues, but otherwise you can enter the extension as .py. So I am saving this program as intro.py. Click on save. Let us check. Yes, this file intro is available on our desktop now. So let us run this file now. Open intro.py again. Over here there are different options available: file, edit, format, run, options, window, help, right? Click on run and click on run module. Also you can press short key F5, function key F5 to run this code. So let us run the module. Over here Python is displaying that which particular program is running. So it is showing that on desktop I am having the program as intro.py which is running now, and what is the output which is displayed? It is 20, right? So like this is the script as a whole. All the instructions will be running at a time and you will get the output of whole program over here in the Python shell. So friends, this is a script. So as over here in this session we have seen the installation of Python and both the programming styles. Then we can enter, we can have interactive programming style, or we can also have we can also run a script. So isn't it interesting? Yes, I know. So we are going to see many more programs in the next session. See you. Bye bye.